Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth product breakdowns. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Jimibox X4 Toolbox available right now, the Akro-Mils 09514 ProBox. This 14-inch plastic toolbox is the perfect storage solution whether you're working on tools, hobbies, crafts, or just need a handy container to keep things organized. The first thing you'll notice is the solid, industrial-grade plastic construction. This toolbox is tough and durable, designed to withstand rough handling and heavy use, making it a long-lasting addition to your collection. Its dimensions, measuring 14 inches in length, 8.1 inches in width, and 8.1 inches in height, strike the right balance between compactness and capacity, offering ample space without taking up too much room. The toolbox comes in a sleek black color, giving it a modern look that will fit perfectly in your garage or work area. One of the standout features of this toolbox is its large, removable top tray. It provides easy access to smaller tools, parts, or supplies, so you don't have to dig through the entire box every time you need something. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, an artist, or someone who enjoys fishing, this tray can be a game changer when it comes to organizing small items. And the comfortable handle makes it easy to carry around, so you won't struggle when it's time to move everything. For security, this toolbox has a steel latch with an oversized padlock eye. This means you can lock your toolbox and keep your items safe, especially if you're storing expensive tools or personal items. It's a feature that sets it apart from many other boxes that only offer basic closure systems. The toolbox is also water repellent, providing some protection if you find yourself working in damp conditions. Though it's not waterproof, it does a good job at keeping your tools and supplies safe from minor splashes or humidity. Plus, it's made right here in the USA, which adds to its appeal for those who prefer locally manufactured products. What's great about this toolbox is its versatility. It's perfect for storing not only hand tools, but also nail polish, hobby paint, kids' toy tools, first aid supplies, camping utensils, fishing tackle, and so much more. Its design makes it adaptable for all sorts of uses, from organizing your workspace to acting as a portable kit for your next outdoor adventure. In conclusion, the Akro-Mils 09514 ProBox is a top-tier toolbox that combines durability, organization, and security. Whether you're storing tools, crafts, or other small items, it ticks all the boxes for both professional and personal use. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more detailed reviews on products like this one. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching.